turning into the Olympic Sports Complex. They're doing bobsled rides today.
And today we're going to do the bobsled experience. And I feel the need
for speed. Let's do this. After you check in, you're going to get to check out an actual rolling bobsled from the summer program. This thing is pretty high tech and fully equipped with room for the driver and up to 3 passengers. It's equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes, a full roll cage, and a 4-wheel coilover spring suspension. Your next stop from here is to go up and get picked up for your ride to the top of the track. Let's get in.
Not as good as you guys, because you guys get to go on the ride. The track you guys are going to go on is on your left.
Okay.
It was finished in 2000 for the Goodwill Games. So it's a 1-mile track, 20 curves from the top. You're going to do the public ride, which is from the half-mile mark and about 9 or 10 of those curves. This is Zigzag, the biggest curve on the track, and one you're going to do in a few minutes.
So how long does the whole experience take when you get on the bobsled?
To answer your question about how fast, you'll see the last public ride, the time right there, 54, just under 55 seconds.
That's so fast.
So I've seen times anywhere from as low as 52 and change to 59. Depends on
who's driving,
maybe the temperature, the weight of the car,
the people, everything. The whole.
Yep. This is your start area right here. You're going to get out, and these gentlemen are going to fit you with helmets.
All right, cool.
Enjoy your ride.
Thanks for the lift.
What's his name?
Lori.
Lori and
Chuck.
Lori and Chuck. Chris with you. I'm Chris. I'm gonna drive you.
All right, Chris. Feel the rhythm, feel the rhyme.
Get up.
Get on up. It's bobsled time.
That's it. I'm gonna try to get in here.
Okay.
Feel the rhythm, feel the rhyme. Get ready. It's bobsled time. Cool running. Wow.
Oh my God.
Oh, this is awesome. This is so awesome. Oh my God. This is awesome. Oh my God, this is so freaking awesome. Awesome. Oh, feel the cheese. Oh, this is great. Oh my God. Woo, yeah.
That was fun.
That was awesome. All right.
Okay. It was funny. I could have done longer.
This is our bobsled driver, Chris. He got us a 5208 today. So thanks, Chris. Nice job, man.
It was awesome.
Really awesome.
So that was really awesome.
Yeah, that was really, really cool. I want to do it again.
I could.
Do it again.
You said 20% off the second time.
Ooh, don't tempt me. Could go back. I don't know.